Rex. See little something here from last night.
Then I who Patsy left this yafa? I oxtail and beans, me did expect. My belly now accept this type of disrespect today, me tell you.
So alright, we're gonna do a little short video. This is one of the clash between Ninjaman and my name Mad Cobra. I think, you know what? I'm not chat it out. Better watch it and let me chat afterwards.
Crowd here this man. At this here this people ninja. Bandsman, play the music now.
So Aaron again.
Crowd here this man. At this here this people ninja. Bandsman, play the music now.
So yeah, this was this clash between Mad Cobra and Ninja. I saw where there was an altercation with, I don't remember who it was, but Mad Cobra they tell Ninja so if he come back on finish his clash or come entertain the people. But I first me I see the party, I see somebody try hold Ninja, calm down, and Ninja no want. Now depend that. But it was a good clash. The next video is gonna be a part of the clash where when everything was going fine and Ninja I sing and I talk about his struggles with crack, cocaine, whatever he was taking, his demons. But we're going to the comment section and see what they must about Ninja. First comment. Ninjaman, dancehall, king of badness. My father, them time no boy this. Okay. Free Ninjaman. Of course. Real bad man with be heart emoji. Dominique, one love. Yeah man, me want to know why them do that. I feel bless up on yourself, brother. Oh God, Jesus. Like, listen. We're gonna start the comment section because they are Patwa. And I speak Patwa and I read Patwa well, but me can't read this. Let me try again. Yeah man, me want to know why them do that. I feel bless up on yourself, brother. If you understand that, tell me, because I don't. Anyway, who that in the black costume? That's the real bad man, the person who uploaded said. Real bad man thing, nah? Is that Dan Jizzy? I don't know. Please, what happened here? It was a clash and then something happened and Ninja never like it and he want to leave his stage and I'm going to try hold him back and him flash them off because I'm a real bad man. Anyways, we'll go watch the other part of the video we have here and anytime I find the full clash, of course you know so I'm going to upload it.
Best of
Somebody
Ninjaman.
shout out team. Help me ball out team. So slow, petty, no for them a petty. Petty them will tell you out be sweetie. Petty, no for them a petty. Petty them will tell you, but look here. Them are me friend, and me treat them like a family. Say everything me have for me and them share it. Punch your shoes that as me give them feel weary. And then they say one turn round betray me too petty. No for them a petty them. Anyway, remember when I me a run Jamaica country, when me a drive all 10 car behind me, the whole them full and none of them never empty. Some more coke and them me lose some of me money. Look on their friend and them me never see any. Who not gone to Bunty and they run gone to Beanie. Me name a call and them a run back to me too petty. No for them a petty. Petty them will tell you out be sweetie. Petty.
I know everybody have their favorite artists. Everybody can feel how they feel, but I don't understand the hate for Ninjaman. Which, well, I understand because, you know, the stigma that surround him as a bad man, bad behavior, murderer, etc. But I rate Ninjaman. And the man said he never commit the crime, so he never commit the crime. And based from what I read, he didn't get a fair trial. Not only what he said, but what his lawyer said, that he was in Mandeville when the crime occurred, and they have mostly cell phone texts and cell phone towers record that was, and also witnesses that did not get to testify on his behalf. So yeah, anyways, I might be biased, just like you guys are fan named biased to Vibes Cartel. I might be biased. You see what I say? But anyway, we run in the comment section. One Ninjaman, dancer legend. And then man a boss, Ninjaman a real bad man. From long time, somebody said legend, brap, Ninjaman, be a fire emoji. And this was uploaded from 2023 May. Did he smoke crack and lose some of his money? That's what he said. Real talk, Ninjaman. God bless you for your kindness, Ninja. See? Probably Ninja help the person. Yo, I'm here alone see QQ when the video just start. Really? I have to go watch it back. This when Cobra ambush him ass and him try friend out the war. No, he didn't. If you watch the whole thing, you see a Ninjaman defending himself, and I think Ninjaman did kill Cobra. Yes, so kill him back. Well, I think at this clash, Ninja out time mode say he lost against Cobra. But when I watch the full thing, he never really lose, to be honest. And then he catch Cobra over Sting and hang Cobra like a slave palm tree. Jesus. That was wrong of me to say. But anyways, let me get the reference. Freestyle that name. Try that. One Gargan. Okay. There's nothing you can do to make me run away from this clash. Now I say free Ninjaman. And guess what? I will end the video right there. Hope you like it. If you don't like it, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. Like the video. And share the video, man. You know when you share the video, other person we watch it. YouTube about the YouTube promote the short form, but the long form is where the thing is. So thank you for watching the long form as always, and just like it and share it for me. Per usual, stay safe. God bless.
Best of
Somebody
Ninjaman.
shout out team, help me ball out team. So slow, petty, no for them a petty. Petty them will tell you out be sweetie. Petty, no for them a petty. Petty them will tell you, but look here. Them are me friend, and me treat them like a family. Say everything me have for me and them share it. Punch her shoes that as me give them feel weary. And then they say one turn round betray me too petty. No for them a petty them. Anyway, remember when I me a run Jamaica country, when me a drive all 10 car behind me, the whole them full and none of them never empty. Some more coke and them me lose some of me money. Look on their friend and them me never see any. Una gone to Bunty man, them run gone to Beanie. Me name a call and them a run back to me too petty. No for them a petty. Petty them will tell you out be sweetie. Petty.